If you need some last minute St. Patrick's Day decor, I'm going to show you how to make some using my embroidery machine and some felt fabric and twine. I have this design that I'm going to be using today, and you can find it in my bio linked under design. I'm going to use 1 sheet of cutaway stabilizer per hoop, and I'm going to have 2 machines going at the same time because I'm going to make about maybe 6 of them. And then I just have to cut the fabric to fit each hoop. I have my 2 hoops ready, and I think I'm going to do 2 on this one and 1 on this one, so I'll only have to have my machines go twice to get 6. I'm going to be using this dark green thread for the outline. So I already have them loaded and ready to go, so I'm going to start the machines. I pause them just to let you know that the PE 900 is going to take 5 minutes to embroider the outline, and the SE 630 is going to take 8. So the bigger machines do embroider faster. Walked away from my machine, and I made this mistake when I started embroidering the second one where I had them overlap. So this one's scrapped, and another reason why not to walk away is because of things like this, where it could have ruined my design if I didn't catch it in time. This is always a great time to catch up on podcasts since you want to keep an eye on your embroidery machines. I have all of my Clovers embroidered. So now I just need to cut them out and cut off like the excess stabilizer and cut out the hole. So I'm going to do that. So I cut out all of the clovers. I have 6 here, and then I cut little holes in the keyhole area, and this is where I'm going to put the string. I think like about like right here is good. I'm just going to cut that, and then it's super easy. I'm just going to put a clover through the hole, and if you use tearaway stabilizer for this, it wouldn't be white in the back, it would be green, but I didn't have any more. There you go, you have your St. Patrick's Day Clover garland, and this is reusable. You could reuse this every year, and it's like so cute for like a classroom or home, just for like decor, and it was super easy to make. I also made a keychain with one of them. If you have like a keychain making kit, you can put a grommet through the center and then just add your keychain to it, and it makes like really cute like party favors, or like if you want to gift this for kids in a classroom, that would work too.